Are you trying to watch YouTube on your Sony Smart TV, but the app just won't work? Don't worry, you're not alone. In this guide, I'll show you some quick and easy fixes to get YouTube up and running again in just a few minutes. Steps. Step 1. Restart your TV. Turn off your TV using the remote and turn it back on. Sometimes a simple restart can fix the issue. Step 2. Check your internet connection. Test your Wi-Fi or LAN connection. A slow or unstable internet connection can prevent the YouTube app from loading properly. Step 3. Update the YouTube app. Go to the App Store on your Sony Smart TV and check if the YouTube app has the latest version. An outdated version may cause issues. Step 4. Update your TV software. Go to Settings, About, System Software. Update your TV's firmware. New updates often solve compatibility problems. Step 5. Clear cache and data. Go to Settings, Arrow Apps, Arrow, YouTube Arrow. Clear cache/clear data. This removes corrupted files and helps the app run smoothly. Step 6. Reinstall the YouTube app. If the problem still persists, uninstall the YouTube app and then reinstall it from the App Store. Step 7. Factory reset, last option. If none of the steps work, perform a factory reset on your TV. Warning, this will reset all your TV settings back to default. Outro, and that's it. By following these steps, you should have your YouTube app working perfectly on your Sony Smart TV. If none of these solutions helped, reaching out to Sony support is your best bet. Thanks for watching, and don't forget to like this video and subscribe for more helpful tech tips.